This is the new Redmi Watch 6, and when you look at the price tag, you'd expect a compromise. But after testing it, the numbers on this spec sheet are honestly shocking. 2000 nits of brightness and up to 12 days of battery life. Is this the new budget king? We're going to dive deep into the display, the new design, the HyperOS features, and most importantly, how accurate the tracking is. Let's find out if the Redmi Watch 6 is the only budget smartwatch you should be buying this year. Let's start with the physical design. The Redmi Watch 6 features a 2.07-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 432 x 514 pixels, a 2000 nit peak brightness, and a 60 Hz refresh rate. The display has ultra-narrow 2mm bezels on all sides and an 82% screen-to-body ratio, protected by 2.5D curved glass. The watch supports a full-color always-on display, AOD, at 5 Hz, allowing users to view time and notifications even when the screen is off. Xiaomi has equipped the watch with a dual-button layout, including a repositioned stainless steel crown and an additional side button for quick access to key functions. The case measures 46.45 x 40.03, 9.94 millimeters, and weighs 31 grams without the strap. It uses a high-strength aluminum alloy frame and supports quick-release interchangeable straps, available in both silicone and vegan leather options. The Redmi Watch 6 is powered by HyperOS 3, enabling smooth connectivity with smartphones, smart home devices, and even vehicles. It allows users to control home appliances, unlock supported cars, and access interactive notifications. The watch also supports Xiaomi Voice Assistant and lets Android users reply to WeChat messages directly from the watch. Xiaomi has equipped the watch with a 550 mAh battery that provides up to 24 days of usage in basic mode, 12 days in typical scenarios, and 7 days with AOD turned on. It supports magnetic charging and includes a linear vibration motor with over 20 haptic feedback styles. The watch supports independent dual L1 GNSS positioning and is compatible with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, and Beidou. It includes health monitoring features such as 24-hour heart rate tracking, all-day SpO2 monitoring, sleep tracking, stress detection, and women's health management. It is also rated 5 ATM water resistant, suitable for swimming and shallow water activities. The Redmi Watch 6 supports more than 150 sports modes, including automatic recognition for walking, running, and cycling. It comes equipped with Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, music playback, voice recording, compass, weather updates, calendar synchronization, and remote camera control. The watch is priced at $84 in China and comes in 3 color options: Misty Blue, Elegant Black, and Moonlight Silver. If you're looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch where the compromises are minimal and the display and battery life are premium level, the Redmi Watch 6 is an easy recommendation. It took the best parts of its predecessor and polished them into something truly great. Is it the budget king? Yes, absolutely. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.